built. So I'm video. Medyo millionary tayo dito. In this, I can confirm that this is the Amir. Their currency is called SOM. And nag-withdraw lang ako ng mga 2 million SOM. So medyo millionary tayo dito. Ayan, tignan yung current situation ng ano. And it's still just snowing. Sobrang snowing. Grabe. Grabe yung snow, ang kapal. It's built. So I'm video. I'm making video. It's built 1974. Para siyang Soviet Union style na hotel. So medyo luma. A lot of tourists go there as well because of the design. They have huge rooms. Only cons is medyo outdated daw siya. Kasi again, it's been built 1974. Grabe, sobrang. In this, I can confirm that this is the Amir.